Out here, the day begins before the sun fully rises. The roads are quiet. The work is waiting, and the hands that meet it know what they're doing. This isn't about flash. It's about focus. Every bolt turned, every mile driven, it's built on trust, on knowing your truck will start, your mechanic will show up, and the job will get done. As the light fades, the pride remains. In the quiet moments, you see it. The strength of a day well spent. The kind of work that doesn't need applause, just respect. Valdosta Mechanics. Built on reliability, backed by community, and driven by the kind of craftsmanship that lasts.